This is the Guardian standalone system. The main unit is a motion detector with a built-in siren. Now we are going to talk about the packages the unit comes in. This is the Guardian standalone kit. The standalone kit comes with one Guardian main unit, as well as one remote key fob, and also some sticky tape and a pack of screws used for mounting the main unit. This is the Guardian Preferred kit. It comes with one Guardian main unit. It also comes with two door and window contact sensors with sticky tape for mounting, one remote key fob, and sticky tape and screws for mounting the main unit. Now we're going to talk about how to use your Fortress Guardian. Your unit is off when you receive it. You will need to remove the battery tab from the back of the Guardian and then turn it on by pressing and holding the gear button in the middle. You will also press and hold the gear button until you hear a beep to turn the Guardian off. When the system is on, there are a couple of ways to arm and disarm it. One of the ways is with the key fob. Here is the key fob. Press the locked lock to arm and the unlocked lock to disarm. Ultimately, you can use the main unit to arm and disarm as well. Press and release the gear button to arm or disarm. The unit will beep once when armed or twice when disarmed. When the system is armed, it can be armed in one of two modes, alarm mode or doorbell mode. Press the home button on the remote fob to switch between modes. You can also switch between modes by pressing the musical note button on the main unit. When the system is in doorbell mode, triggering a sensor will produce a doorbell sound. When the system is in alarm mode, triggering a sensor will produce an alarm siren sound. The system comes pre-programmed, but if you want to add additional accessories, programming is easy. We'll show you how. To program an accessory as a normal detector, the first step is to press and hold the programming button until you hear a beep and the light on the Guardian turns on. Once the light is on, trigger the accessory you want to program. For the remote key fob, press any button on the remote. For the motion sensor, turn it on. If the motion sensor is already on, then wave your hand in front of it to trigger the detector. For the door and window contact, separate the sensor from the magnet. To exit programming mode, press any button on the top of the unit or wait for it to time out on its own. You can also add sensors as emergency detectors. When programmed as emergency detectors, the accessories will trigger the alarm on the Guardian, regardless of if the Guardian is armed or disarmed. To program accessories as emergency detectors, press and hold the musical note button until the unit beeps and the light turns on. Just like with normal detector programming, trigger your accessory to program it to the Guardian. This concludes our introductory video for the Guardian standalone security system. This is the Guardian standalone system. The main unit is a motion detector with a built-in siren. Now we are going to talk about the packages the unit comes in. This is the Guardian standalone kit. The standalone kit comes with one Guardian main unit,